Feeling drained? Here's how to get back on track with self-care. We all have those days, or even weeks, where life feels overwhelming and our energy levels are completely drained. But don't worry, you can reset and get back on track. In this video, I'll guide you through simple yet powerful self-care practices to help restore your energy, nurture your well-being, and get you feeling like yourself again. From acknowledging how you feel to gentle movement and nourishment, these steps will recharge both your mind and body. Whether you're stressed, exhausted, or just feeling off, these tips will guide you back to a place of peace and purpose. Start your self-care journey today by watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone that may need it. Feeling completely drained? Life can be overwhelming, and we all experience moments where our energy feels depleted. But the good news is, with the right self-care, you can get back on track. The first step to getting back on track is to acknowledge how you're feeling. Take a moment to pause and accept that you're drained, both physically and mentally. Sometimes, just acknowledging the struggle is powerful. Journaling can help you express these emotions. Write down what's been weighing you down without judgment. This simple act of reflection can bring clarity and ease tension. Next, prioritize rest. Our bodies and minds need rest to recharge. Take time to sleep, and if you can't, find moments to relax throughout your day. Deep breathing or meditation can also help reset your mind. Even a 10-minute meditation can make a big difference. Try focusing on your breath and let your thoughts settle. Sometimes feeling drained isn't just mental, it's physical. Gentle movement can help boost your energy. You don't need to hit the gym. A simple walk in nature or a quick stretch can do wonders. Moving your body helps release tension and boost your mood, bringing both physical and mental energy back into alignment. Another key element of self-care when you're feeling drained is nourishing your body. Hydration and balanced meals are crucial. Fuel your body with foods that give you energy, like fruits, vegetables, and healthy proteins. Drinking enough water is also essential. When we're low on energy, it's easy to forget about hydration, but it's one of the simplest ways to feel better. Finally, take some time to reconnect with what matters to you. When life gets busy, we sometimes lose sight of our purpose. Spend a few minutes doing something that brings you joy, whether it's a hobby, time with loved ones, or simply being in nature. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. When you take care of yourself, you're better able to show up in your life with energy and purpose. Ready to feel like yourself again? Start your self-care journey today. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips and deeper dive into nurturing your well-being.